Hi everyone, this is B. So today I'll be doing a Lightinthebox first impressions, unboxing, honest review, honest reaction video. I bought this product off their site because I was looking for a cosplay / costumes for this event in Melbourne that happened some time back. I didn't get to the cosplay in time. It only just came in about 4 days ago, so I might as well put it in use and maybe let you guys know in my honest opinion, honest review about it. Also give you some pointers about shipping. So yeah, I really hope you guys find this informative and decide whether you want to purchase from this website or not. So yeah. So firstly, I want to talk to you guys is about the shipping. When you see in your products, they usually have like a processing time and a shipping time. So processing time means the time that it takes for them to, process it, make it, or do whatever to get the product ready for mailing. On the stuff I was looking at, it said 5 days processing and 7 days shipping. I would recommend not to trust this. From my personal experience, I ordered this cosplay on the 23rd of August. I didn't get it until probably Monday last week. So I bought it with the express shipping plus the priority shipping, which is about 40 to 50 Australian dollars, and it still didn't come on time, unfortunately. Rule number one when shopping with Lightinthebox, if you are buying something that is quite on a pricier side, say over 150 dollars Australian dollars, that looks like they don't have much stock, definitely purchase it 2 months prior to your event. That's with standard shipping. If you don't want to pay for express shipping, I'd say give it a month and a half at least. Don't be like me, who's pretty disappointing not having not being able to wear cosplay to a cosplay event. So yeah, so I'm pretty excited to open this. So this came in the mail. So what I ordered is a character from School Days. Her name is Yae Sakura. Excuse me, I pronounced that name wrong. I ordered a dress, a wig, and some nail glitter to put under my eyes for makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna open this right now. Pretty excited to open this actually because I've been waiting for so long for this. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, so first I can see comes in a packet like this. First impressions, looks pretty nicely done. That's like lacy. I'm gonna do the wig first. The wig just came like that, and the glitter, that's for the sparkles. So if you guys are nail technicians, definitely purchase these. This was about $6, I think, 6 Australian dollars. So this wig, I'll put it on the side. Yeah, this is the wig that I bought. It's kind of like a natural pink, so I want it to look a bit more natural on me, so hopefully it does. It comes like the fishnet. It doesn't feel that synthetic. Like, I'm just gonna show you guys. It feels like real human hair. That's the brand. Ooh, focus that. Okay, I'm actually gonna put this on. I actually don't have a wig cap, so I wish my hair would look as good as this naturally. I'm gonna put this on and then we'll see how it looks. I'll be right back. Oh my god. So guys, this is what it looks like on me. I don't have a wig cap. A cat wig, so I see my real hair. It looks pretty good. If you're pro at putting wigs on, I'm not. I only put like probably 3 wigs on in my life, so you probably know how to work with this better. Maybe you can give me some tips, but generally it's pretty good wig. It feels really nice. It feels like human hair. I feel it is heat resistant, so you can curl it more. That's another plus. I definitely love curly hair. It is washable as well. So it has this natural kind of pink look to it. It's not like a neon pink. Pretty good, pretty happy with it. So
Several months later.
Okay, next one, next thing. Oh my god, the dress is quite expensive actually. I paid about $251 Australian. So I'm hoping, I have really high expectations of this. So yeah, I'm gonna...
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hi everyone, so you can see that really this is a different day, new shirt. What happened was when I was actually editing and going through what I filmed last time, I was not very informative at all. I was mumbling a lot. I do apologize for that. So today has been like maybe a week after that day. I'm just gonna go through detail about the dress itself, the accessories that it has, and any additional stuff that I've accessorized the cosplay with. I've added sparkles under my eyes because glitter is life, guys. First thing I wanted to go through was the detailing of the dress. I was very impressed with it. The dress itself has like a pattern on it. So on the white stuff you can probably see there's like a pattern on that, and also the same pattern on the grayish material as well. The fabric they use, having this kind of pattern, adds more of the oriental flavor to the outfit. Also it photographs more nicer. Also it has this detailing at the bottom that goes across the dress, and also this lacy detail here. It has the tassel, the tassels on the side. There is a dress, so like an underneath black dress, which is what is on the character. It has the gold detailing, which is really good. Also the gold detailing at the front. It is a zip back as well. Be careful guys with this zipper, it does get stuck, so just be very gentle with it. So overall, with the accuracy of the dress to the photo that they put on the advertisement, it is very, very accurate. I'll insert the photo here of what they put up. It pretty much looks exactly what they're gonna sell you. The accuracy to like detailing is very, very nice as well. I don't have any other pictures of the character of her wearing this dress. It literally looks like if you zoom up closer to like in her, like towards her dress and stuff, it's pretty spot on. So true to size. The sizing was not that accurate. It is more on the bigger side, I think. I'm a size between 6 to 8, probably more towards the 8 side. When I put on the dress, it was very, very loose. So what I did was to pin down the sides at the back to make it somehow fit onto me. Otherwise it was just way too big. Even when I cinch in the waist part, it is still a bit big. But so this part is very loose, just hangs out, which is a bad thing about the dress as well. So yeah, honestly, if you're gonna buy any clothes from Lightinthebox, I would recommend you to go and actually lodge an inquiry to their customer service side. Lightinthebox, they seem to put all these products out there only until they receive an order, then they go and contact all these suppliers and see who will take the job. I can't confirm that, but it seems like that's kind of their kind of model. You don't know who's going to make the dress or the clothes that you order. Definitely contact the customer service. The accessory came as a surprise to me because on the website it actually says it doesn't include the accessory, it only includes the dress. First thing was this cuffling. So the cuffling, it is made out of a foamy material with this, and it is spray painted with like a tassel detailing, which is nice, which is exactly what she wears in the photo. So this is actually glued on the back. I personally don't really mind this because from far away you can't really see it in photos. You can't. For the price I paid, because I paid $250 for this, I would have expected a little bit better material than this, a better made cuffling, maybe like a fake leather thing that goes around. But you know, I still would wear this. It looks pretty good on photos as well. People won't be able to tell. If you guys are particular about the materials, the material they use to make the accessories, definitely I would be speaking to the support regarding what kind of materials they use. Definitely speaking to them about that first before I actually purchase the product. So this took me a million years to figure out what this was for. This is the armor that she wears, the accessory that she wears for her ear. It is very nicely crafted. I don't know how they would do this, so yeah. Like I said, this is also made from foam as well, same material as this. If someone steps on this, I think it will break, honestly. Like, so you have to be pretty careful. But since this sits on the top of her ear, so it goes on top of her ear like that, I wouldn't be worried about breaking it because I don't think anyone would be squeezing your bunny ears. So it goes on like this. So this is how it kind of looks like on the ears. So if anyone does decide to step on your bunny ears, you should totally kick their ass because no one should be stepping on anyone's bunny ears. So yeah. So this one is the last accessory. That is the strap that goes around her thigh, that she wears around her thigh. When I tried to put this on, this was a bit too big for me. It does fall. Instead, I made it improvise and actually went ahead and got a garter leather belt on the thigh. So this worked pretty well with the cosplay, surprisingly. Look how it adds a bit of a more badass kind of look. So yeah, it is fake leather. It's like 10 Australian dollars. I'll put the link down at the bottom. Mind you that this is quite big as well. Like, they only have one size and it is quite big on the waist. I'm pretty sure this is meant to sit high-waisted, but it was like this big, so it was like hanging off my waist. So I took that out and I just took the leg part out and put it on my leg and sort of just tucked the thing at the top and inside the dress. So that works. So yeah. The last accessory that did not, this one was a fan that I purchased on eBay as well. Pretty standard, nice fan. This was about, I think it was less than $5 Australian. So classic fan, you can use any other color fan. I think white would look perfect. White with red looks perfect with the outfit as well. Don't be afraid to improvise, guys. I feel like cosplay doesn't need to be exactly character. Sometimes what they wear in the anime may not look good in real life, so don't be afraid to like add an extra accessory or change out from this to this. I feel like it adds a bit more personality and a little bit more creativity as well. So definitely don't be afraid to add extra things and extra accessories onto your cosplay. So I think that is all the stuff. I don't think I've missed anything else, hopefully. So overall, my opinion on it is that it is a very well made dress. I'm pretty happy with it. The detailing and the accuracy towards the image that they provided and also to the character is pretty spot on as well. Sizing was a bit of a downfall because it was a bit bigger than what I expected. Quality of the accessories was a bit of a downfall versus the price that I paid for. If I bought something that was 50 bucks on the website, I would be happy to receive like an accessory like this. So overall, would I order from Lightinthebox again? Yes, I would order from the website again. The wig is definitely like a big win for me. The dress itself, I wouldn't order anything over $200. I think that is a bit too high for the quality that comes out of it. So I think that's all today. I hope I didn't miss anything. If you guys have any questions about the product itself, about shopping on this website, feel free to leave the comment down below. I'll try to answer it, but if I can't answer, I'll just be honest with you guys. More importantly, so if you guys have any feedback on my video and how I did and stuff, whether it's good, it's bad, it's ugly, all feedback is valuable feedback. Everyone is free to speak their mind. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys have a lovely week ahead.